Yummiest Love, written by Lisa McCord, illustrated by Laura J. Bryant. I love your sweet bear hugs and crazy warm kisses, and the red crayon hearts you draw just for me. I love your wild belly laugh, so delicious to my ears. I'd do my silly face 100 times just to hear it again and again. I love your scrumptious smell when you are soaped and rinsed and squeaky clean, and even when you are not. I love the questions you ask. So many questions that one storybook can take a whole afternoon of sharing. I love your never-ending surprises. Like when you hate broccoli, then it's your favorite. Then you hate it, then it's your favorite. I love your free, courageous spirit, even when it trips you up and you need band-aids or kisses, or just the right words to help you find it again. I love the snuggle we invented, a cross between a snuggle and a cuddle, but better and warmer than either of them. Your snuggles are the best thing in my world. I love the way you sing and dance, and tell me stories, then dream up new songs, and dances and stories for me. I love our gentle, quiet times, and the warmth of your small body, and the beautiful beating of your perfect little heart. I treasure every memory we make, memories of special days and all the days in between, each day wrapped in the yummiest love. I love all our tickles and tumbles and smiles. I love everything you have been and everything you'll become. It seems impossible that I could love you more each day. But that is what happens. You keep changing and growing, and that will never stop. All I can do is hang on for the ride. I love you more than sunshine, more than the moon and the million twinkling stars. Thank you for being the you that you are. Please like and subscribe and click the bell icon to get new video updates.